Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at pivot tables and how to add slices. So let's get started. We'll simply highlight the information or the data table. This is a data table of sales information. We'll go up to Insert, Insert Pivot Table. It'll ask where you want to put it. I'm going to put it into a new worksheet, and now we have our pivot table icon. Now to add some data into the pivot table, I'm going to simply go over to the pivot table fields, and we'll add in the full name of the salespeople. We'll grab branch and maybe put that before the full name in the rows, and we'll grab the quantity of vehicles that they've sold. So now we have our starting point with our pivot table, and by adding slices, what this does is starts the creation of a Excel dashboard. So this will get you started on how that works. Now, as you can see, when you select the pivot table, there's a few more options that appear in the ribbon. So I'll select anything in the pivot table, and we've got these new options up here. So under Pivot Table Analyze, there's a section within Filter called Insert Slicer. So we'll insert a slicer by clicking that, and we'll be able to filter the data by any of the fields that are available in the pivot table. So this time we'll select Product, and now we have the different products that are available to slice this pivot table. Now, just to make it a little bit tidier, I'll insert some rows and create a little filter pane. So we'll call this filters. We'll make it a little bit of a grey color and center, and we'll grab this and bring it over under that section. So now we are in the process of creating, I guess, the beginnings of a dashboard with a slicer. And as you can see, with the slicer, you can actually just select the item here. You can select multiple by holding down Control, and the values in the pivot table change as you make those selections. You can simply shut this down by clearing the filter on the right. Now you can actually add multiple slices, so I'll do this, and these slices work on pivot charts, pivot tables, the works. But this is just an example to show you how to get them. I've clicked in the pivot table again, go to Pivot Table Analyze, Insert Slicer. This time I'll use the color selection and press OK, and now the color of the vehicle is also available in a slicer filter. And now, as you can see, when I select something like sedan, the data updates, and you can actually select different colors as well. So now we are looking at just the black and green sedans, so the slices work well between each other as well. So don't forget, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Hopefully this has got you pretty good information on how to get the slices into your pivot tables and get you started on creating dashboards in Excel. See you next time.